Coding World, Lesson 8. Working with Scratch. You have already learnt about Scratch and its components in previous class. In this chapter, we will learn about the blocks and creating shapes. Blocks palette shows all the blocks available to you for use in programming. Scratch blocks. The blocks in Sprite are divided into different categories based on their functions. In most of these blocks, you can change the value in the block to suit your script. Motion blocks. The blocks that are used to control the movement of a sprite are known as motion blocks. They are blue in color. Some of the commonly used motion blocks are: Move 10 steps block lets the sprite move forward in the direction it is facing, the number of steps given in the text box in the block. When we write the value with a minus sign, the sprite moves backward, e.g. move minus 10 steps. Turn 15 degrees block lets the sprite turn in clockwise direction by the given degrees, and turn 15-degree block turns the sprite in anti-clockwise direction by the given degrees. To make the sprite jump to a new position on the stage, use Go to X0, Y0 block. This block gives the X and Y position of the sprite on the stage. Use Go to Mouse Pointer to tell the sprite to follow one of the two given options, the mouse pointer or a random position. If on edge, bounce block makes the sprite flip over if it touches the edge of the screen. Set rotation style left-right block is used to set the rotation style of a sprite. The options to choose from are left-right, all around, and don't rotate. Looks block. The blocks in purple color are looks blocks. They control how a sprite appears on stage. Use the Say Hello for 2 seconds block to add a speech bubble to the sprite for the given time in seconds. Say Hello block adds a speech bubble to the sprite with the given text. The speech bubble will continue to appear until another speech or thought block is activated or the stop button is pressed. Think Hum for 2 seconds adds a thought bubble to the sprite with the given text for the given time in seconds. Think Hum shows a thought bubble with the given text. The bubble will continue to appear until another speech or thought block is activated or the stop button is pressed. Show and hide shows and hides the sprite on the stage. Change color effect by 25 changes the sprite according to the selected effect. The 7 effects are color, fisheye, whirl, pixelate, mosaic, brightness and ghost. Clear graphic effects block will reset any graphical effects on the sprite. They will be reset to their default value 0. Sound block. Sound blocks are in pink color. They control sound functions. We can add music to our Scratch project by using sound blocks. You can even record your voice and save it. You can play it with a sprite. Start Sound Meow block plays a sound without pausing the script. The sound options are meow or recorded sound. Play Sound Meow until done block plays the sound by pausing the script until the sound has finished playing. The sound options are meow or any recorded sounds. To stop all sounds being played on all sprites, use Skip All Sounds block. Clear Sound Effects block clears all existing sound effects. Events block. An event is a happening which occurs due to some other things that happened before it. So, events block actually control how the blocks in a script will start to run if a particular action is done. Events blocks control events and the starting of scripts. They are yellow in color. When green flag clicked block activates the script when the green flag or go button is clicked. When space key pressed, block activates the script when the chosen key is pressed. You can choose from the given keys or you can choose the option any. When this sprite clicked, block activates the script when you click the sprite. Control block. They have looping blocks which are used when the same blocks have to be repeated for a number of times. The most commonly used control blocks are: wait 1 seconds block pauses the running of the script for the number of seconds given in the block. You can use this block when to move or speak blocks are coming one after the other. The repeat block repeats a set of blocks for a given number of times. This block is also used to draw shapes where we have to give the same blocks again and again for a number of times. The forever block keeps on repeating a set of blocks till the stop button is clicked. This block is similar to repeat block and expands automatically to accommodate the blocks you snap inside it. My blocks, also known as custom blocks, are user-made custom blocks. There are 4 different unique kinds of My Blocks in Scratch 3.0. Drawing a line. Let's learn how to draw a line in Scratch. Look at the code and its output. The line appears on the stage. To view the line in full screen, click on Full Screen Control button on the top right corner of the stage. Drawing polygons. Polygons are 2D shapes with 3 or more straight lines and angles. Examples of polygons are triangle, square, rectangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, octagon, etc. To draw polygons in Scratch, you must remember a few thumb rules. They are: you must know the number of sides in the shape. This is the value to be given in repeat block. Each time a repeat command is used, you draw a line and turn at a corner. You must know the degree of the angle at the corner. It is very easy to calculate this. Just divide 360 by the number of sides in the shape. Look at these polygons that can be made using repeat. Triangle. Repeat 3 move 100 steps turn 120 degrees. Square. Repeat 4 move 100 steps turn 90 degrees. Pentagon. Repeat 5 move 100 steps turn 72 degrees. Hexagon. Repeat 6 move 100 steps turn 60 degrees. Heptagon. Repeat 7 move 100 steps turn 51 degrees. Octagon. Repeat 8 move 100 steps turn 45 degrees. Nonagon. Repeat 9 move 100 steps turn 40 degrees. Decagon. Repeat 10 move 100 steps turn 36 degrees. Drawing a square. Now you will learn how to draw a square in Scratch. The steps are given below. Step 1. Click on the Events Blocks category. Step 2. Click and drag the When Green Flag Clicked block to the Scripts area. Step 3. Then click on Looks Blocks category. Step 4. Click and drag the Hide block to the Scripts area and snap it below the Hat block. Step 5. Click on Pen Blocks category. Step 6. Click and drag the Pen Down block to the Scripts area and snap it to the script. Step 7. Click on the Set Pen Color to block and drag it to the Scripts area. Snap it to the script. Click on the color dot and choose a color of your choice. Step 8. Click on block and drag it to the Scripts area and snap it to the script. Step 9. Next, click on Control Block category. Step 10. Click and drag the Repeat 10C block to the Scripts area. Snap it to the script. Step 11. Now we will have to click on Motion Blocks category. Step 12. Next, drag the move 10 steps and turn 15-degree block and snap all of them inside the C block. When you position any block inside the C block, it expands to fit the blocks. Change the steps from 10 to 100 mentioned to change the degree from 15 to 90. Step 13. In the repeat block, click and change the number of repeats from 10 to 4. Why are we doing this? We know that a square has 4 sides. Step 14. If you do not want the sprite to appear over the figure, you can end the code here. But if you want to see both the shape and the sprite, snap the block at the end of the code. Tech fact: the first official website of Scratch was launched in 2007. Drawing a circle. To draw a circle, create the given script in Scratch. Saving a project. A project includes the sprites and scripts that are used in it. It is a good idea to save your projects so you can reuse or modify them in future. The file extension of Scratch is .sb3. To save a Scratch project, follow the given steps. 1. Click on File menu. 2. Click on Save to your computer. Save Project dialog box appears. Navigate the location where you want to save the project. 3. Type the name of your project in the File Name text box. 4. Click on Save to save your project. Knowledge Zone. In the Scratch 3.0 programming editor, you can add collections of extra blocks called extensions. Scratch takes its name from a technique used by disc jockeys called scratching, where records are clipped together and manipulated on a turntable to produce different sound effects and music.